All right, this is a limiting reagent problem. We can recognize that because we're given amounts of two different reagents. Overall process is where we're going to determine the amount of product from each reagent, and the smaller amount is going to be our max product. For the sulfuric acid, we're going to calculate the moles from molarity times volume in liters. For the KCl, we'll divide our mass by the formula weight. All right, so for the H2SO4, this is a molarity times the volume. That gives us moles of H2SO4. We look at our balanced chemical equation. It tells us every mole of H2SO4 will generate 2 moles of HCl. We want our volume of HCl gas expressed in liters. So we go to our equation sheet, find 22.414 liters is equivalent to a mole of a gas, and this is our value. For the KCl, we need to determine moles by dividing by the molecular weight. It's a 2 to 2 mole ratio here. And again, we multiply by 22.414 liters per mole. We go with this value because it is smaller. We'll never get this much product because long before we get here, we're going to run out of H2SO4. So for our sig figs, we base our sig figs on this calculation, and we're going to be limited here to 2 sig figs.